Hi, Skin Games. This is Renee Asare. I am tuning in for my 8th and final week with my lovely case study model, Miss Sabrina. Sabrina suffers with eczema, primarily around the nose and the mouth area. She oftentimes has flare-ups. She has to wear a CPAP machine, and she will eventually take that off in the middle of the night if she's having a flare-up that's very painful, itchy, and irritated. We were able to have some really good success.
Very good success. I'm thrilled.
Over this last 8 weeks, we really restored the hydration. When I first put my hands on Miss Sabrina's skin, she was dehydrated and she was dry, and her barrier was absolutely compromised. My focus was just to hydrate her skin and calm and reduce that inflammation. We incorporated a lovely home care regime for her that she really fell in love with. Yes. And she has had very few flare-ups. We had one major flare-up after the first week. And then we really haven't had a whole lot of, she might have.
I'll have a spot here and there, but not like it used to, where it covered up a large area.
The texture of our skin is so hydrated. It's so
nice. It feels nice. It looks great.
Yeah, and we definitely achieved some anti-aging benefits through this process as well.
Yes.
I mean, the lines around the forehead area have relaxed, and I think even
around my eyes,
the crow's feet around the eyes a little bit as well. We're planning on maintaining this about every 4 to 6 weeks. We're going to maintain this.
My skin was amazing. I am beyond thrilled with the results. Gosh, I'm so thankful. Thank you.
You're so welcome.
And Neogenesis, thank you.
Sponsorship.
Yes. And the products, they're fabulous.
We will see you in Dallas, Texas, March of 2026. Thank you, Skin Games.